Onboarding to StatusIQ, a step-by-step setup guide for new users. Ever wondered how to keep customers informed during outages? When your service goes down and your customers are left in the dark, confusion sets in. In such a case, Site 24/7 StatusIQ is the perfect solution. Here, you can clearly communicate real-time incidents, updates, and more. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started. You can log into StatusIQ in two ways. From Site 24/7, click the product switcher icon and select StatusIQ, or log in directly from the StatusIQ webpage. Now create your first status page. A status page is where you communicate the real-time status and availability of your services. You can choose to customize it for easier access and better branding. Now, add components. Components are the key elements of your service infrastructure, such as your website, APIs, databases, or servers that you want to track and communicate status for. In Site 24/7, assign access to user who can set up and manage your status pages. Only StatusIQ admins and superadmins have permissions to create and configure status pages to ensure that critical communication settings, branding, and access controls are managed by authorized personnel. Now navigate back to StatusIQ. Upload your logo and favicon for better branding. Add custom domain and verify configurations. Customize email to configure reply to and send from emails. You can also add caged subscribers, ideal for controlling who receives real-time status updates. With widgets, you can embed live status updates directly onto your website. Additionally, you can enable privacy settings to your status page. Finally, your status page is ready. Build trust and update transparently with StatusIQ. Thank you.